Definition of thankful in the dictionary: conscious of benefit received, expressive of thanks, and well pleased. The definition of Thanksgiving Day is a public acknowledgement or celebration of divine goodness. To me, being thankful is digging down deep, even in times of sorrow or chaos. To me, it is a precursor of pure joy. To me, you cannot have joy without being thankful. The word thankful is an adjective. It describes a noun, a person, place, or thing. To me, it describes the thankfulness of the thumping in my and my loved one's chest, the eyes that see the smile on children's faces, the smell and warmth of the burning oak fire, the taste of the harvest that allows us to live with full bellies, the not so perfect but wonderful marriage to my husband that I love so dearly, the hands that are raised to my Lord God in praise and in cry for help, the sound of nature as it closes one season and begins anew, the smile that I have when I think about the God that is never ending and loves me, the knees that I fall upon to pray, the tears that I have in sorrow, in gladness, the feet that carry me and support my body, carry me to new adventures. Now, I'm finding myself thinking about the term giving thanks. To give is a verb, an action, not just words. To give thanks is to share with others. Show someone how much they mean to you. Be thankful. A smile, a hug, a meal, a warm fire, a sweet treat, a shoulder to lean on, a prayer to comfort them. As we celebrate Thanksgiving, let's be thankful. Let's give thanks. Life is way too short to keep it to ourselves. Happy Thanksgiving from our family to yours, and God bless.